Hello students. So today we are going to solve question number 4 of cash book from DK Goel. Now see the question. Enter the following transaction in the single column cash book. Okay. There is not a company name is given. So we will write in the book of dash cash book, and this is the format. So first entry is cash in hand 25,000. Obviously it is a opening balance. So we write it 22. 2022. Okay. Now on 1st December, the cash in hand. So we will write to balance BD. Amount is 25,000. Clear? Now, next point is cash sales. CGST and SGST is also given 40,000. Now, the entry will be what? Cash sales, है ना? So the entry will be cash account debit to sales and to output CGST and to output SGST. क्लियर? जीएसटी वाला चैप्टर आपको याद होगा, ठीक है। जर्नल एंट्री में कैसे करते थे, जीएसटी वाले चैप्टर में भी हमने कैसे कराया था। तो whenever the sales is given, there will be the output CGST and SGST. So the entry will be what? 40,000 sales है ना, 40,000 sales, 40,000, and 6% of 40,000 will be 2,400. Okay. So the cash is in the debit column. So comes to the debit. Here you write debit and this is credit. Okay. So come to the debit column and you will write what? These three items: to sales, to output. So the entry on 2nd December. देखिए वहां कैश जो है डेबिट हो रहा है, सो हम डेबिट कॉलम में आ जाएंगे और लिखेंगे क्या? टू सेल्स अकाउंट, टू आउटपुट CGST, टू आउटपुट SGST, and the amount is 40,000. 2,400. Okay, it is very easy. चलिए नेक्स्ट है रिसीव फ्रॉम X ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ Y. रिसीव फ्रॉम X, हम रिसीव कर रहे हैं किससे? X से, ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ Y. Y को देना था, Y के बदले X दे रहा है. ओके, Y के बदले X दे रहा है. तो कौन दे रहा है उससे मुझे नहीं मतलब है. किसका अकाउंट मेरे बुक में ओपन है? हमारा अकाउंट है Y के नाम से ओपन है हमारे बुक में, ठीक है। हमें पैसा Y से लेना है, वो दे कौन रहा है उससे मुझे नहीं मतलब है. बुक में मेरे किसका नाम है? Y का, तो मुझे रिसीव हो रहा है Y से. तो व्हाट द एंट्री विल बी व्हाट? कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू Y अकाउंट, ठीक है। सो कैश डेबिट में, तो डेबिट में आ जाएगी. यहां लिखेंगे क्या? टू Y अकाउंट. डेट इज 4 December. टू Y 4,000. Clear? 4,000. Now paid to Sompal and discount received is 100 rupees. We paid to Sompal. So the entry will be what? Sompal account debit to cash to discount receive. ओके, सोमपाल को हम कितना कैश दे रहे हैं? 4,900 एंड 100 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट. सोमपाल अमाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड बाय 5,000. क्लियर है? सोमपाल अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड बाय 5,000. बट डिस्काउंट रिसीव वाली एंट्री हम यहां नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि डिस्काउंट का कॉलम नहीं है मेरे पास यहां पे. क्लियर है? डिस्काउंट रिसीव वाली एंट्री हम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि डिस्काउंट का कॉलम नहीं है. हम कैश का कितना ट्रांजेक्शन कर रहे हैं और कितना नहीं कर रहे हैं, बस हमें वही लिखना है। तो कैश मेरा कितना है, टू कैश कहाँ है, क्रेडिट में, तो आ जाएगी क्रेडिट में। एंड द डेट क्या है, पहले डेट लिख दें, 9 दिसंबर। द कैश अमाउंट इज 49,000 एंड वी राइट व्हाट, सोमपाल सॉरी बाय सोमपाल account, and the amount will be 4910, not 5,000, only 4910 rupees. Clear? We will not record any discount received or discount allowed. Received from the Vijay Kumar and discount allowed 200. Again, this entry will be opposite of this. The entry will be what? Discount received from Vijay Kumar. Received from Vijay Kumar. So the entry will be what? Cash, account debit, discount allowed debit to Vijay Kumar. We received the cash from Vijay 7,800. 7,800. We give the discount 200. So the Vijay Kumar account credited by 8,000. Okay. This is the cash. This is the cash book, and we don't record any discount allowed and discount receive entry. So first of all, look at the cash. Cash is debiting, so comes to the debit point, and we write only to Vijay Kumar, and the amount is 7,800. क्लियर है? जितना कैश में ट्रांजेक्शन होगा बस वही लिखेंगे. डोंट राइट 8,000, otherwise it will wrong. 12 December. So the next entry is 20 December. Bought goods for the cash, CGST, SGST 20,000. So the entry will be what? Bought goods for the cash. So the entry will be purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to cash. Okay, so here the cash in the credit column, so comes to the credit, and we will write what? By purchase account, by input we will write by purchase account, by input CGST account, by input SGST account, and the date is 20 December. 20 December. Purchase amount is 20,000. 20,000. क्लियर है? CGST का रेट है 6%. 1200. Okay. So paid cartage of 1,000 rupees. 21 December. The entry will be same like this. Cartage account debit, input CGST, input SGST to cash, because cartage is an expense. Okay, paid cartage is the paying the cartage fees. Cartage cost is an expense, and when we do any expenses we will pay input CGST and SGST. So entry will be what? By cartage account, by input CGST, by input SGST account. So the amount of cartage is 1,000, and the 6% GST will be 60 rupees. 60. Clear? Now remitted to Dharamveer and discount allowed by him 120. Okay, remitted to Dharamveer and the discount allowed by him, it means we receive a discount. Okay, we receive a discount, and when we receive the discount, when we purchase something, okay, when we purchase something, we receive the discount. So the entry will be 23rd December, 23rd December. By Dharamveer, okay, by Dharamveer account, by Dharamveer account, remitted to Dharamveer 1880, and discount received is 120, or discount allowed by him is 120. We will not write any, we will not record discount allowed entry. ठीक है, discount receive or discount allowed entry. So only we write 1880 rupees. Now receive money order from MO. MO means money order. Receive money order from Mohan. So when we receive something, we will write here to Mohan. How much? 500. 25 December. Clear है? 25 December. Now borrowed from Mahavir. If you borrowed something, the entry will be what? Borrowed from Mahavir. So cash account debit to Mahavir. ठीक है, you borrow amount from Mahavir. Okay, in that case your cash will increase, cash will be debited, so comes to the debit point, a debit column, and we will write to Mahavir. To Mahavir, the date is 27 and the amount is 7500. Okay, now next, receive from the Bhushan and the discount allowed is 100. ठीक है, receive from Bhushan, we receive cash from the Bhushan, तो entry will be what? Cash account debit, discount allowed debit to Bhushan. Clear है? So receive from the Bhushan 3900. तो कैश we receive is 3900, discount we give 100, and the Bhushan account is credited by 4000. Okay, so see very carefully, cash in the debit cash is debiting, so comes to the debit column, and we will write what? To Bhushan account, Mahavir account, Mohan account, Vijay Kumar account, to Bhushan account, and we will write only this amount, not this 3900. 29 December. Now the next 31, paid to Lalita 2700 in the full settlement of his account 3000. Okay, we paid to Lalita 2700 and her account was of 3000. It doesn't matter. ओके, इट डजंट मैटर कि उनका अकाउंट कितने का था, 3000 का था, 4000 का था, बट हमने उनको कितना पे किया है, तो वी पेड टू हर 2700. सो वी राइट बाय ललिता अकाउंट is 2700. Okay, all point is completed. Now let's see, 25,000, 40,000, 24, 4,000, 7,800, 500, 7,500, 39,000, 93500. So the total receipt 93,500. Total payments 33010 33010. Okay, so on 31st December by balance CD 60,490 60,490 and the total amount is 93,500 93,500. ओके, यहाँ पे हम इसको सेपरेट कर देते हैं. अकाउंट क्लोज. And on 1st January, this by balance CD, this closing figure will become opening figure to balance BD, and the amount is 60,490. Oh, something is wrong. Okay, sorry students, there is a mistake in this entry. By Sompal account, the amount is paid to Sompal only 4,900 and I was right 4,910. So there is the difference between the 10 rupees. So the amount will be 33,000. Okay, and 33,000. Total payment will be 33,000. So 93,500 minus 33,000 will be 60,500. Clear है? 60,500. ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ थोड़ी सी गलती हमसे हो गई थी, बाकी सारी एंट्री सेम है. यहाँ पे भी इसको सही कर लेंगे. 60,500. क्लियर? So by this way your question number 4 is completed, and in the next video we will see question number 5.